I've been comparing Pipedrive and Trello throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased take on which one might be better for your workflow. Pipedrive is a dedicated sales CRM built to help teams manage leads, deals, and pipelines in a structured way. It's perfect if your focus is on closing sales and tracking customer interactions. The visual pipeline is clean, and automation features like follow-up reminders and email syncing make it super efficient for sales professionals. But it's definitely more tailored toward sales teams. So if you're looking for general project management or team collaboration, it might feel too narrow. Trello, on the other hand, is built around flexibility. It uses a Kanban-style board that works for everything, from planning content calendars to managing software development or even personal to-do lists. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, and with the help of Power UPS, you can integrate it with tools like Google Drive, Slack, or even Pipedrive itself. However, Trello lacks built-in CRM features, so it's not ideal if your main goal is sales pipeline management. So if you're managing a sales process and need reporting and automation tools for closing deals, Pipedrive is the better fit. But if you want a flexible, visual project tracker that's great for team collaboration, Trello's the way to go. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in next one.